how to use your free hit chip in Fantasy Premier League. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you got a team full of blanks and tough fixtures this week, then don't panic. This is where your free hit chip can save your game week. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use your free hit in Fantasy Premier League. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So here with that, what is free hit chip? The free hit chip is a thing that allows you to make unlimited transfers for the one game week only. And here, after the game week ends, your squad reverts back to the team you had before. And it's perfect for blank game weeks where multiple teams don't play or the game weeks where you want to target a 1 week advantage. And now, with that, here is how you can activate your free hit chip. So here inside the Fantasy Premier League app, you can just tap on the Fantasy tab at the bottom left side of the screen. And here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on the transfer button. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you will see free hit chip options at the top. So here, as of right now, it's not available on my account, but if it's available to you, you can just tap on play free hit and then confirm. And after that, you can make unlimited transfers. But remember, it's only for this game week. And once activated, free hit cannot be undone. So plan carefully and use it close to the deadline to get the most up to date team's news. And don't forget, you can only use it once per season, so make it count. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.